Alright, welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Peace TV on any FTE decoder. Alright, so Peace TV is a Muslim channel, so if you are a Muslim or you would like to listen to some words of wisdom from the Islamic community, all you got to do is to get this Peace TV on your FTE decoder and then get to enjoy everything that is shared over there. So Peace TV is on the northeast 26 degrees. So to get Peace TV, you need an FTA decoder and then a satellite dish ranging from 50 centimeters upwards. So any smaller dish, you can probably use it to get it. But using a bigger dish will be a plus. Alright, so if you have a bigger dish, you are good to go. There are some frequencies that you're going to use to track, but you have a unique TP that you can use it to track and then get it easier. That's the 11996 horizontal 27500. So you add this TP and then put it on the satellite. You can select Astra 2A, 2B. The selection of the satellite doesn't matter most. The satellite is just a folder that has been created on your decoder. Alright, so you can select any satellite and then add the TP. Alright, so after add the TP, you got to track and then get a Peace TV stable signal. So with the LMU position, you can position at the 9 o'clock or the 3 o'clock horizontally. 9 o'clock or the 3 o'clock, and then you adjust it a bit to actually get a stable signal. So after that, you just tighten your dish and then get to enjoy your channels. Alright, so I'm going to upload a full tutorial on how you can actually track and then get a stable signal, but this just a short video to give you all the infos about how you can get a Peace TV on any FTA decoder that you have. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you're new here, you got to do subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share, and then you come back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless.